Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark perfume. Go, go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice.
Welcome back to my channel. I am Jabre, and today I am going to be reviewing and installing this 360 wig from Kisslove hair. I am so in love with this color. It came exactly like this. The lace was already pre-cut. This, like I said, this is a 360, so you're able to put this wig up in a ponytail or whatever style you want to do. It is super versatile, and the natural wave of this hair is super cute, and I just love it all around. 10 out of 10. So in this video, of course, we're going to be getting into this hair, but y'all know before we can hop into it, I'm gonna need y'all to give me a big old thumbs up, because why not? Yeah. And then I'm gonna need y'all to subscribe to my channel because my cash baby's lit, I'm lit, and if you subscribe, then you lit too, and that's on what? That's on period. So yeah, y'all, let's just go ahead and hop right into it. Hey you guys, so I just put this wig on my head. This is how it looks straight out of the box. It feels really, really nice. However, I cannot place this curl pattern. It's kind of like wavy, but you really can't get into the waves. So I might have to curl up this hair. So far the lace, it is a little bit lighter for my skin tone, and I'm having just a little bit of a sizing issue right here by my ears. This is a 360 wig, so I will show you guys. As you guys can see, it has lace all the way around the wig, and in the back of the wig you can adjust these straps to make it tighter. Do y'all see that closing up? And then that's how you want to size it to your head. So I think that is the reason why I am having just a little bit of a sizing issue, because it is just so circular and I don't think my head is just perfectly round. So I probably will have to make just a few adjustments to that. And of course, with the 360, you can wear this hair up. That is what it's for. You can wear up. You can show the back of the wig. However, I know that I have a really low hairline in the back, so I'm not sure if I'll be able to 100% show off that detail of the wig. However, I will show you guys, for those who don't have a low hairline in the back, how versatile this wig is. So I'm gonna put her back on. So yeah, like I told you guys before, I am having just a little bit of a sizing issue. I think I'm going to cut the size of this wig and then just glue it around my ear. I think that's the best option for me. So I am going to go ahead and do that now. And I'm just gonna cut just a straight line right around my ear, and then hopefully that gives the wig a little bit more wiggle room to fit on my head. Okay, so now I have the wig coming above my ears, which is how I like it. And I'm just gonna place a little bit of makeup on this lace, and then we're gonna lay her down as normal.
You go, girl, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like a horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time we're making up. Found you wasn't with me waking up. Now you for said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. Oh, just to know you want you. So come close, won't you? Won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had it, lights on nothing.
All right, so I have the wig laid down. I'm going to clip it up and then I'm going to tie an elastic band around the lace to just let it set and dry in that position for about 5 to 10 minutes. And then we're gonna figure out how I'm gonna style this wig because I am a little bit confused on how I'm supposed to wear this. So I'm gonna look at some inspiration pictures and then we're gonna figure it out.
Can I tell you something for what it is worth?
So you guys, I have the hair prepped. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this elastic band and then we're gonna start to curl. Jesus. Okay, not too bad, not too bad. I just gotta fix a little bit of the hair in the front and then we'll be ready to go for styling. Perfect. All right, now we can start to curl. As you guys can see, this is the natural pattern of the wig, untouched. I have not put any product on it or defined the curls whatsoever. It just seems like a really wavy texture and it's a loose wave. However, it does have a little bit of fluff to it. And I'm just going to add some body curls in here. I mean, not some body curls. I'm gonna add some beach waves, some big beach waves in here to see if we can accentuate these curls. But I think the vision that I have in mind is gonna come out really, really good. So I'm excited. I'm gonna take my curling iron, I'm gonna clamp the hair. I'm gonna spin. Once I have the hair completely spinned around, I am going to drop the curl. I am gonna keep spinning. Once I have it completely wrapped, I'm gonna drop that curl and then I'm gonna keep spinning. And then all the way to the end. So you should have something like this in the end.
Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice, poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. There's blood in my pen. Better yet with your friends and them. I really wanna know you off. I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good, game home is sorry. They say conversation rule the nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S.
So now that I have my hair all curled, I'm just gonna hit it with some hairspray. Now I'm gonna take a wider tooth comb and I'm going to just comb this out, and it should give you some really soft waves. So here are the waves, you guys. Super cute. I love these. Like, they came out exactly how I wanted them to. As y'all can see, it is a soft wave and it kind of gives you that natural wave pattern of this hair, just styled, if that makes sense. So I really, really like that. This is the full look of the hair. I hope that you guys learned something or enjoyed this video. If you did, please do not forget to give me a big old thumbs up, and also comment down below and let me know what y'all want to see next. And also subscribe to my channel because my Cash Baby's lit, I'm lit, and if you subscribe, then you lit too, and that's on what? That's on period. So yeah, all the links on this hair will be listed in my description box, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.